One pencil to bring hand.
Mama, come here.
Yes, I saw. I saw it, baby.
Let's go. Mama, take it out.
Yes, baby.
Hey, what's this?
What?
It's rice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is that?
We don't touch it though. It's somebody else's rice. No.
I just go to you.
No, we can't.
Uh-huh.
I just go to you, Mama.
We're done.